Good morning to one and all. We, the students of Pindley Government Degree College for Women, are here to present our project titled Impact of Ukraine and Russia War on Global Economy. I am Srija.
I am Janice.
I am Sana.
I am Vaishnavi.
I am Kiran.
Russia has declared war against Ukraine on 24th February 2022. Internationally, it is considered as a war of aggression and it is the largest military operation since the World War II. Since the war has started, nearly 3.8 million citizens of Ukraine has left the country and millions of people were migrated to other countries. The war between two neighboring countries is a major setback to the world's economy and it adversely affects the growth and high inflation. Because of the crisis, the whole world economy could be seen slower growth and high inflation.
Objectives: to find the reasons behind Ukraine and Russian war, to know the impact of Ukraine and Russian war on global economy, to explore the situation of two countries during and after the war.
Methodology. The methodology of the study involves primary and secondary resources based on the reliable media market and internet.
And we analyze the economic impacts of different factors on the global economy, including trade, supply chain, food charges, energy charges, and economic growth.
The findings of the study are the conflict between Russia and Ukraine had affected the global economy. This war had led to rising prices of every commodity, especially the crude oil and cooking oil. The impact of this war led to poverty and it affected 30% of population. And this war had led to destruction of huge infra facilities and other production. By this, we can conclude that the war between Russia and Ukraine affected the global economy and it led to trade shock, and this led to global inflation, which leads to rising prices of every commodity, rising food prices, energy prices. Soon after the pandemic situation of COVID, the war between Russia and Ukraine war was a sudden jerk to the global economy. Thank you.